Hey everyone, today I'm sitting on the Zoma Boost Hybrid mattress. This is a mattress that is designed for people that have an active lifestyle, athletes that need maximum recovery, or just anybody who puts a lot into their day, and when they go to sleep, they want to stay asleep, waking up as refreshed as can be. But that is the pedigree behind the Zoma brand, is they are more focused on athletes. So they do focus on putting material in here that will work to help them recover. The Zoma Boost Hybrid is obviously a hybrid mattress, starting with the coil system, which is a zoned coil system. I'm sure you've probably heard a lot about these. Basically, it's a pocketed coil system that has a firmer support in the middle and then firmer edge support around the perimeter, so you don't feel like you're going to roll off the bed at night. You can sit up to the edge and still get really good support. The other nice thing about this mattress is that they do use some premium foams. So they do call out that the top layer, they are using a graphite infused foam. That has multiple benefits. The primary one being that it is going to help you sleep cooler, and it'll draw some heat away, but it is also more responsive. So you do get some nice contouring with this foam, and then underneath of it, you get an even bouncier foam that almost mimics a latex. And then of course under that, a transitional layer of foam, and then your coils. So what you end up with is a mattress that feels like a very traditional mattress, except that it is considerably softer because of all the layers of foam. So this mattress I think is ideal for side sleepers that want maximum pressure relief, although it can work for back sleepers as well. Stomach sleepers may want something just a little bit more firm than this. Price-wise, it's pretty middle of the road, if not cheaper than a lot of the other brands you're going to find now. This one sits at $1,600 in a queen size, so pretty competitive pricing, typical 100-night trial, free shipping, free returns within the trial period, and a 10-year warranty. So they've got all the bases covered there. Of course, it does ship in a box just like the others. I would say though, if you are somebody who sleeps on their side, prefers something softer, and you tend to sleep hot, the Zoma is definitely worth considering. I did find that this mattress does draw away heat pretty well, even for the amount that you sink into the mattress and how much you are surrounded by it. So this is kind of a sleeper pick because you don't really hear much about this brand, but they're every bit as good as the leading players online. But they do put a lot of quality into this mattress. So head on over to yonder.com. We're going to have the full review where you can check out all the specs, take a peek inside, and see how it compares to others in this category.